Come see this Vancouver Westside townhouse with me. This property is located on Oak Street, listed for under $1.45 million. It's a 4-level townhouse with over 1,200 square feet of living space, and I personally love this chef's kitchen with premium appliances. This property has a back patio and a private deck on the top floor. So this is the main living area. Now let me take you downstairs where there's another room and direct access to your parking. Let's go. Let's take a look at all the bedrooms upstairs. Let's go. Bedroom number 1. This is bedroom number 2. Slightly bigger. Washer and dryer. The balcony. Thank you for watching this deal of the week. How much do you think this townhome is gonna worth? Comment in the section below. Follow for more videos. Thank you very much, and I'll see you guys next time.